Let's have a quick look at ProPresenter. We're going to look at the experience from the point where you start up the computer, a couple of things you're going to want to do for setup, and then we'll have a trip around ProPresenter 7, some of the things that are familiar to us, some of the new things, and then some of the new things about how we're using ProPresenter in the online broadcast world. So first of all, you switch on the Mac as you normally do in the rack between the visuals position and the sound desk, and you will find that things start up looking like this. You've got your two screens right nicely placed in front of you, and the first thing that you're going to have to do is a couple of setup things before you start ProPresenter. The first thing is to disconnect and then reconnect this dongle here. This drives the stage display, which is what people in the room are going to see and people on the stage are going to see. So it's nothing to do with what goes out to broadcast, but it's really helpful for people in the room to have a view on the screens as well. So you have to unplug this and wait a couple of moments, plug it back in again, and you'll see the monitor view. The left-hand monitor will kind of blink a bit and then launch again, and you'll see this welcome to Ivy message, which will tell you that you have successfully got the second stage display working. And at the moment, we have to do that each time we boot up, I'm afraid. Second thing for setup you want to do is to come back to your main computer monitor, and in this ATEM software control box here in preview, just change that to stage, and then you'll get the right layout of things on your left-hand screen so you can see what's going to stage easily as well as what's going to broadcast. And then the last task for setup before we launch ProPresenter is still in the ATEM software control to click Auxiliary and to choose Stage Display. And as you will see in later tutorials, that is really essential for helping people in the room and on stage see the right stuff, like a clock, like a timer, like song words and things like that. So now it's okay to launch ProPresenter.